Okay. How about Honda? Why not?
The fight card is filled in. Which of these warriors will prove their strength to the world?
Oh, look, we got the fucking jumping bean again. He's back. I wonder how good Honda is against him. I don't even know.
Who will come out on top? Fight! And there it is. The first hit.
Haha. I should go work on Honda, boy. Haha, he's getting fucking owned. What? Oh, that was so random. Yes! Scrubby fucking El Fuertes can't beat a turtle fucking Honda.
And the battle continues. Fight! And with that, the fight is officially declared.
I didn't do that. I did fucking butt splash. Yeah, karate chop. Oh, how did that fucking miss? Oh my god, that's such bullshit. I'm standing directly next to him and I whip a fucking Ochio throw. Whatever. Super scrubby fucking luck there. Will it hit? Nope. Oh, you got lucky again. Notice how he repeatedly does the same move over and over because he has no idea how to play the game? Yeah, that's how El Fuerte players play, usually. Okay. Nothing I can do. I did EX butt splash, nothing came out. I did EX butt splash and nothing came out. I did EX butt splash and nothing came out. Fucking stupid online play. Look at this guy. I didn't do that. Did you see the lag spike when I was doing a move? Got him. Look at that damage. I didn't do that. But I did do that, and now I did that, bitch. You fucking scrub. I hate scrubs.
Honda wins.
I squished them. Everybody's gonna go home and cry now.